Córrele, córrele, córrele. This is Vizcaya Mountains, a hidden gem for hikers located just 30 minutes outside of Torreon. I drove with Don and his sons, who are local adventure seekers from Torreon. This is the beginning of the road trip. We're headed for a hike. On this 6-kilometer round-trip hike, you'll be able to explore the stunning rocky terrain of northern Mexico. This was my first time hiking these mountains and I was blown away by their beauty. This beautiful mountain, I just can't get enough of this place. Whether you are a seasoned hiker or just starting out, the Vizcaya Mountains are a must-see destination. So join me on this adventure and let's discover the natural beauty of Vizcaya Mountains together. Exciting day. Hi. We have Don here recording his video for his YouTube channel. We have another YouTuber here. He's recording his video. And we have Pepe here, actually. Really important person of our hike. And we're just headed. We started our hike at the elevation of around 3,600 feet. And we are headed towards our first stop, that is the cell tower antenna on top of a mountain. You see that? I can see people up there. They're walking, and I guess we're going all the way up there. I don't think this hike is difficult. Anyone can go up. All you have to do is just take your time, do it for fun, and drink some water on the way. And for a second, just be present in nature. Because nature is alive and nature is trying to communicate with us one way or the other, and nature wants to heal us. Yeah, that's the main reason why I'm hiking. I'm here with my good friends in a beautiful environment, and this is a place to grow as a person, and this is a great story that I'll remember for a lifetime. Yeah. During a conversation with Adrian, I asked him how far was the first stop of this hike, and he said, "It's a 40-minute hike."
Yes, but this is the road easy.
This is the easy road, okay.
I have the more hard right there.
Oh wow.
And these ones, you go that way.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh wow. How many times have you been here?
About me, 10 times.
9 or 10
yes.
times?
I like the other side.
The other side?
Yes.
Right. So this is the easier path to go up, but then there is a harder, tougher
Maybe
path.
When I go up, back for the hard.
Okay.
Okay.
No, he's behind you.
¿Te sientes bien?
Sí. ¿Y tú cómo te sientes?
Bien también, aunque no lo parezca. Falta un buen rato, por eso te digo. Falta un buen rato.
We're enjoying our time here in this peaceful place. Córrele, córrele, córrele. Vámonos.
Ya me cansé.
Córrele, Adrian. Let's go, we're running now. On the mountains. Wow, there's people down there. We were there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You see that? That's where we came from. We were just down there, and now we're here on top of this mountain, and we're just going up.
Hola, amigo. What happened with you? Estás tomando videos, sí, amigo. Y te voy a poner un cambio. Saludos, Torreon, Coahuila. Saludos, Pakistán. Saludos, Canadá. Saludos, todo el mundo.
We're gonna go up there, and we have to go all the way to that point. That's the summit. After 40 minutes of hiking, we finally reached our first stop at the elevation of 4,370 feet. Yeah. While we walk around the cell tower antenna and rest a little, Don had just the perfect idea to make this day memorable.
Say, come on.
Go up? Yes, you guessed it right. Benito, Don's younger son, he's going to attempt climbing up on this cell tower antenna. Look at this. You guys trying to go up? Oh no!
No, José sí puede. Está más liviano, José.
Me? While Bonito lost his balance, Don talked me into climbing this tower as well.
Vamos a ver, lo voy a intentar, José. Como si fuera palo encebado. A ver.
Primer paso, si pudo.
Oh, es un escalador.
Yeah. Although I was nervous and scared to fall, I did it for the team. After a few steps going up, I decided to come down since that's not the summit we were trying to reach. Oh yes! I came back down.
A ver.
I did it.
A ver.
Look at my heartbeat. Oh no. I'm officially a monkey now.
Monkey. No monkey.
Mono, in Spanish, mono.
Mono.
Come on.
Soy mono. Now is the hardest part. Right over here, because from here we're gonna go up to the other side. From here on, the path gets rocky and uneven. But being surrounded by these grand natural formations gave me a sense of smallness, but also the sense that I am part of something much bigger, something greater. Oh, gracias.
Canapés.
Got a little muffin.
Muffin.
Look at my new friend here, Pepe. While I sit on a rock under the shadow, Pepe joined me for a little bit until he was ready to leave. feeling it on my legs. Oh yeah. Look at this.
As we reached close to the summit, the path was getting very steep and harder to climb, but we were determined and up for this challenge. Either way, we had come too far to give up now.
Wanna cruise?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I see the cross. It's right over there. Look, the cross is right here. We made it. Woo! We did it. We're right at the summit. God's energy.
God's energy. God energy.
This is how long it took us, and now we're on the summit.
El que está en la cima de la montaña
No cayó aquí de repente.
The journey to the top is difficult and a challenging one, and those who have reached the summit have done it so through their own efforts. This hike was a reminder to me that no matter what challenges I may face in my life, I should never give up. I should never let my fears and doubts stop me from reaching my goals. Instead, I must stay determined and persevere through any obstacles that comes my way. It's not always going to be easy, but the rewards of reaching my summit are well worth the climb.
Woo! We did it! Oh yes! God's energy! Corre, corre, corre! Let's go!